guys, 2015 GMC with a 5.3 engine right there. 2015 and a 5.3 engine right there. So a real bad misfire on cylinder 4. And I mean, first thing, most people think it is going to be the spark plugs or injector or ignition coil or spark plug wires, because this one's carried the spark plug wires. Show you spark plug wires and carry the ignition coils right here on the valve cover. But I checked the injector control and they working. I checked for spark plug on the ignition coil and and I check everything else. Spark plug good, everything else is good. But and you can hear a little noise on the passenger side valve cover, and then I thought it was probably got to be something else. I mean, so. Because we're familiar with these engines, with the 5.3, 4.3 and 6, 4.3 and 6.0, 6.2 and all the engines. So I decided to pop that valve cover, and this is what I found. This is gone. So lifter is stick. They call there is a system that which is it lacks the two solenoids, I think. I mean, it lacks the one of the lifters, and that's what happened to this one. So this thing is stuck in there. We have to pop the heads to get this thing down. But yeah, check this. If you already check spark plug wires, ignition coil, and you already looked the injector control on your scanner, because the injector goes under the intake manifold, not outside. So you just have to probably find a wire, and get into the wire harness and then hook you a scope in there and see if you got you scan or whatever you have to, and see if you guys seen a lot of the injector pulls in there. And but yeah, I hope that we're gonna probably pull up the heads out of there and see if our camshaft is not damaged, and the lifters, it should be damaged for sure. So yeah, so I hope this video helped, guys, and save you time, money. And remember, if grandma can do it, you can do it. All right, guys, peace.